Hi, I'm Mr. Schloss. I teach 8th grade math. Welcome to a quick sneak peek into what a PA virtual middle school classroom looks like.
I'm gonna just sort of quickly go over how to do, you would want to do each method, and then I'll let you take a screenshot of it, and then you can just put that into your own slide 15. Because right now, the main thing I want you to do is just pay attention and just watch how you would do it, okay?
So, something your eyes will be drawn to quickly is our learning platform. It's an excellent education platform that allows us to chat, communicate, annotate a shared document, and has plenty of other cool tools.
Okay. So now it's possible that I might not get to the point. So I'm trying to figure out the point where this number is higher than this number. So that was really the whole point of this exercise. So
At PA Virtual, we prepare our students for their careers by using statistics to help them make decisions about the future. As a math teacher, this goes hand in hand with today's lesson. We had students work together in groups to help determine if choosing a college career path over a non-college career path is worth it financially.
80 in debt, and then I'm making $100,000, so that would be negative 180, negative 80.
They did this by applying their knowledge of linear relationships and systems of equations. Participation is flexible. Whatever makes our students most likely to succeed is generally how we operate.
The answer to that question in this example would be in between 8 and 9 years, right? Because once you get to 9 years, you are over.
This is just a small snapshot of what your child would experience here at our middle school. We are constantly introducing new concepts while reviewing previous lessons.
Where these meet. So 520 and 6.
If you're interested in exploring what our school has to offer, be sure to check out the description box below to see if PA Virtual is the right fit for your family.